There are moments in life when everything inside you feels tired, heavy, or uncertain, and the path ahead seems longer than the strength you have left. But even in those moments, even when you feel like you're standing on the edge of giving up, there is something powerful still alive within you. It's the part of you that refuses to stay down, the part that has survived every difficult day you've lived through, the part that reminds you that your story is not finished yet. You have overcome storms that others never saw, carried silent battles behind your smile, and walked forward even when doubt tried to pull you back. That alone makes you stronger than you realize. Life isn't testing you because you're weak. It's shaping you because you're strong enough to grow through what many people would break under. Every setback you've faced has taught you something. Every disappointment has strengthened you. Every failure has quietly prepared you for the moment you decide to rise again. And that moment can be today. You don't need to have all the answers. You don't need to know how the entire journey will unfold. All you need is the courage to take one more step, even a small one. Progress doesn't always roar. Sometimes it whispers. Sometimes it's slow, quiet, and unnoticed. But forward is forward, no matter the pace. You are allowed to struggle. You are allowed to feel lost. You are allowed to start over. What you're not allowed to do is talk yourself out of your own potential. You were not created to live a life controlled by fear or held back by doubt. Deep inside, you know you're capable of more. You know there is more strength in you, more talent in you, more purpose waiting to be lived. And if you keep going, no matter how slowly, no matter how imperfectly, you will grow into the version of yourself that you've always imagined. The version who looks back and realizes that every difficult chapter was necessary. The version who understands that strength is built, not gifted. The version who refuses to settle because they finally understand their worth. So breathe, stand tall, and keep moving. Your future is not determined by the weight of your past, but by the power of your next decision. This is your reminder that you are stronger than your fears, greater than your obstacles, and capable of rising again, higher than before. Your comeback starts now.